Hello traders, before we jump in, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so I am now on the MQL5 Marketplace page for the Alien Matrix EA, and the first thing I am noticing here is the pricing. It's currently listed at 40 US dollars, and it looks like there is a limited time reduction from a previous version, according to what we can see here, which is version 2.0, right? So version 2.0 seems to be the version with the 50% price reduction, and it was updated on April 23rd, 2025. I can also see it has 10 activations, so that's something to keep in mind depending on how many devices you plan to run it on. Scrolling through the description, the developer positions this EA as a fully automated trading system built around price action combined with tick pattern analysis and some form of filtering algorithm. The idea here, according to the vendor, is that it focuses on identifying high probability setups while trying to keep risk controlled through structured logic. One of the key points they emphasize is that every order uses a stop loss. They also clearly state that the EA does not use martingale, grid trading, or averaging strategies, which is usually something traders look out for when evaluating automated systems. Now, moving down into the features section, I can see it supports multiple currency pairs and it is designed to run on a 5-minute time frame. All right. The recommended setup here is actually quite specific. They suggest using pairs like GBP USD and a selection of other majors. We can see recommended symbols here. Okay, majors and crosses actually, and running everything on a single M5 chart. Okay, with a minimum capital requirement of $200. They also mentioned that the EA trades relatively infrequently, roughly around 3 to 5 trades per week. So this isn't something that's constantly active on the charts. It's more selective in its approach based on their description. There is also a strong emphasis on risk management here. They highlight hard stop loss and take profit on every position, and they repeatedly mention that there are no dangerous money management techniques involved. They also recommend using a VPS so the system can stay connected and running continuously. So now I'm just going to move into the strategy tester and take a look at the historical performance and how this EA behaves on the chart over time. Okay, let's just quickly head over to the strategy tester right now, and we are testing the alien matrix on AUD USD, which is one of the recommended pairs on the H1 time frame. We are using the H1 time frame for the purpose of this video, and as for the model, we are using the every tick model, and we are running the test over the past month. Okay, so quickly looking at the report, we can see that the initial deposit is $50,000. Total net profit made was negative 2,850.95. 4 trades we are taking, which corresponds to what we saw about, not aggressively stacking trades. Okay, it is selective with its entries. All right, we already saw that on the based on the information on the marketplace page, and we can see that short positions we are 3 with 66.67% win rate, so that means 2 of them were profitable, and then the long position was just 1, which was a winning trade. The largest profit $453.6, largest loss $3,909.25. The average profit $352.77, and the average loss $3,909.25. So this shows that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, all right, significantly bad. And when you compare that with the win rate, it's not exactly, the win rate is not really sufficient to cover for this kind of risk to reward ratio, because you can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss is so much. Okay, but remember that these are just historical backtest results, so they do not guarantee future performance. Let's just quickly look at the EA in action. So I'm turning on the visuals and same settings. Okay, I'm just going to click on start, and then we can see the EA in action. All right, so looking at the backtest section, okay, I'm reviewing the historical chart data and the trade activity over the selected period. Like I said here, the past month. What I'm mainly focusing on here is how consistent the execution looks and how the EA behaves during different market phases, whether it's trending or ranging conditions. Now, since this is historical testing, it's always important to keep in mind that longer test periods generally give a more realistic picture of performance. So if you are evaluating something like this, I would personally recommend running extended back tests yourself as well, just to see how it behaves across different market environments. Okay, so from the chart activity, I can see that the system appears to be selective with entries, all right, aligning with the description that it doesn't overtrade and tends to wait for specific conditions before taking positions. Now, each trade is clearly managed with defined risk parameters, which is consistent with the stop loss and take profit structure mentioned earlier. Now, when I step back and look at the overall historical results, this is where I remind myself that this is strictly past performance, okay? It can vary significantly depending on things like broker conditions, spread, slippage, lot sizing, and the risk settings you choose to apply. So while the EA is designed with structured risk control and automation in mind, it is still important to test it properly on a demo account first before considering any live deployment. All right. So to wrap it up, the Alien Matrix EA presents itself as a rule-based automated system focused on controlled risk trading, selective entries, and full automation on lower time frame charts. But like with any trading system, the real evaluation comes from how it performs under your own testing conditions and market environment. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.